Cue the buzz. The drones are coming and they're packing a powerful punch in the future of warfare. Picture this, AI drones, not human pilots controlling the skies. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer than you think. These aren't your everyday drones catching scenic shots. We're talking about autonomous, artificially intelligent machines capable of making split-second decisions on the battlefield. No human input, no delay. Now imagine a swarm of these drones, synchronized like a ballet, but with the sting of a bee. They can overwhelm defenses, carry out precision strikes, and change the face of warfare as we know it. The question isn't if anymore, but when. The age of AI drones is upon us. Prepare for a future where warfare takes to the skies, unmanned and unrelenting. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights. Loop in, and let's soar through this brave new world together.